submitted multiple permits, a couple for the basement, one for the patio. Things are coming along. So today my understanding is we're beginning patio work. We've got a pad down. We need to put stuff on top of it, around it. I'm gonna learn a ton. I'm excited.
So we're here for the first day on site, actually putting stuff in the ground. We're gonna carry that back, and I'm pretty strong, so yeah, that's fine. We are hoping that we're gonna get all the pavers down, get started on the deck landing. Hopefully we can finish potentially in 2 days.
I have not installed pavers before, and I've seen lots of paver jobs that seem sort of uneven over time, so I can't wait to figure out how we can make pavers look good for a long time.
We decided to do a concrete slab as our base, just a little bit easier to set up, get to grade, get it poured. Can't really get machinery back there, so that's gonna be the foundation for our paver patio. So on top of that, we're going to have a screeded setting bed of concrete sand, and then our pavers on top of that. This concrete sand actually helps create the interlock of the interlocking paver. So we set them on this sand bed, and then once we're done, we compact them. That's gonna drive the pavers into the sand and get the sand up into the joints a little bit. So we set down these pipes. It's just 3/4 inch PVC pipe, which has an outside diameter of 1 inch, and we want a very consistent 1 inch setting bed over this whole thing. We've got our screed rake here. Pull the sand right over top, makes it super easy, and once the setting bed is there, nobody steps on it. Screed bed is lava, so almost ready for pavers. Now that we've got our screed bed pretty much set up over top of this concrete slab, we need something that's gonna contain the pavers so that they don't just fall off the patio. So we're gonna use this edge block here. We're gonna set this all in a bed of concrete. So we're gonna get this set, and then we're gonna tap it in with a dead blow hammer. And once that concrete dries, this isn't gonna move at all. We should be good as long as we take our time with this step. The rest of it should go hopefully pretty smooth. You ready?
Yeah.
All right, let's go. So we're starting to lay the pavers over top of our screed bed, and we're gonna start with our field pavers. Perfect. We do have a border going in, but we're gonna hold off on that because we have a concrete edge block that goes around this, and that's gonna act as our edge restraint and a nice border detail. Once I get this line set, then we can just like lay and go. We're gonna start with our field pavers, which is this 3-piece random pattern, and once we finish those up, we can then hopefully have the edge block in around the perimeter, fill up our void with some more concrete sand, and then set our black border paver, which will set everything off.
It's looking good.
It's getting there.
Making a lot more progress out here than I'm making inside.
We got all our field pavers down,
Right.
and we've got a cut along the house to make and a cut along this side. As soon as we get that done, I want to get poly sand in here and get it compacted.
Yeah, so I work from home, mostly sitting by a computer, doing research with code or emails, or very different than this. And I'm often looking out the window when the weather's amazing, thinking, I'd love to be doing something more like this. So it is very nice to get out here. Although, respect to the people that do this every day, because I bet I'll be sore tomorrow in a way that I couldn't be if I had to do this again tomorrow. So the next couple days, I need to get back to work, and these professionals will take it from here, and I'm sure do a much better and a much faster job than I could do.
So we've got a couple of finishing touches to do on the patio. We're gonna hopefully get our poly sand in by the end of the day. Just set ourselves up for tomorrow to be ready to finish. Thought we might get a little bit further today, but still happy with the progress.
But what I do like is you made a lot of progress, so it takes the attention away from the fact that I'm still waiting for inspections in the basement and nothing's really moved along down there. That's helping me. So keep up the good work. I'm gonna go wait for the inspector.
Awesome.
All right, see you later. I'm going back to the dungeon.
Bye, Zach.
Thanks for watching. This Old House has got a video for just about every home improvement project, so be sure to check out the others. And if you like what you see, click on the subscribe button to make sure that you get our newest videos right in your feed.